Boating Magazine's water sports issue is out now. It's got a DIY breakdown for installing lithium batteries, a fun-filled test of tow toys and inflatables, and boating certified tests of the WorldCat 400ccX and the Chaparral 28 Surf. Making this issue required a lot of time on the water, and Icom Marine radios keep the boating team connected. Editor-at-large Randy Vance can help you optimize your Icom, including how to use its channel scanning systems.
You know, in any boating community, there are a certain number of channels that are always used or most frequently used. 16 is definitely one. 69 is a pleasure craft channel, and there are a number of others. The Icom MC510 radio makes it easy to select and scan only those channels. Let me show you how. So first, we're going to scroll over to the favorites. You can see I've got a star there, so I've already marked that one as a favorite channel. You toggle it on and off with that favorite. Now you can go over here to 68. I don't want that one on anymore. I'm going to come back to 71. That one's good, and that's marked star. I've also got 16. Now, let's go back, scroll across. We find scan, hit scan, and now it's just going to scan your favorite channels. It's a very simple system to set up, and you can adjust it for any community and any number of channels that you want to use. I'm Randy Vance for the Icom VHF Video Tip of the Month.